How to get bigger. The hourglass figure is something that most men prefer in a woman. It represents a strong symbol of feminine beauty as well as a healthy representation of good genes. Famous celebrities like Nicki Minaj, Kim Kardashian. 1. Sideline hip abduction. Since we are focused on growth, we want to do the exercise relaxing a dumbbell on the leg we will be lifting into the air. You should do each rep with your leg. 2. Standing side abduction. This is same as a sideline hip abduction, except it's from a standing position. Simply hold onto a wall and grab a dumbbell. Allow the dumbbell to relax against your outer thigh and raise that leg. Keep your back straight. 3. Sumo walk for hips. Recommend doing these at the ankle level or whatever you prefer. Be sure to keep an ever so slight bend in the knees throughout the entire. 4. Side lunge. When these start to get too easy, there is an alternative way to perform these to avoid less stress on the knees while using a weight. 5. Barbell squat. Squats are an excellent and proven way of training your gluteus maximus. You can add resistance by performing them while holding dumbbells in your hands or with the bar across your shoulder. Be sure to follow the advice and check out the resources I mention on this page for a